So today I will be showing you how I do a move out clean. Here I am just looking through the house just to get a scope of the job. I usually look at every room just so you can get an idea in your head of what you need to do first and also how long it might take you. So the sequence I do when I clean, I start with the bathrooms and I finish those. And then I do the dusting round, which is dusting the tops of doors and light fixtures, washing walls and baseboards, doors, windows, windowsills, basically anything that you see. And I do this in a circle, so usually from the right of the kitchen. And then I start the kitchen after that. You can wash out the sink, but don't finish it because you're going to need the sink for the mopping at the end. So the sink will usually be the very last thing you clean. And then from there, you'll vacuum everything, including ceiling fans, or bathroom fans that you need to get in with the vacuum, vents. And then after the vacuuming, of course, it's the mopping. So here's the master bathroom that I'm going to start. I always start with the ensuite. So you can see it's pretty dirty. We definitely have our work cut out for us. So I'm going to start by dusting the tops of the door, the baseboards at the top there, and then the tops of the light fixtures. So here there are some spots on the wall and the baseboard that I know will be very tough, so I go ahead and spray them with my all-purpose spray just to get them soaking, which will make my job a lot easier after. Then with my gloves, I start with the toilet, with the bowl cleaner, and I'll let that sit there for a little bit. Here, I got my bucket, and I filled it with the Dawn and vinegar mixture that I make. So fill it up with water in the mixture, and then you use your magic eraser and just get everything in the sink. This sink was super satisfying to do because you can see all that scum and dirt going away. And just for the purpose of the video, I went back and forth just to show you, but make it quicker. And then, of course, we need to get the front of the cupboards. Especially for a move-out clean, we wouldn't want to miss that. And I also get the inside of it before I forget. And while you're on the floor, you can go ahead and get your baseboard while you're there. So you can either wet your cloth or spray it with your bottle. Here's the main bathroom shower that needed a good treatment. It had a lot of soap scum and hard water stains on it. So I actually use Lysol toilet bowl cleaner, and I actually have a video isolated on this very thing in my channel if you want to check that out. So you use the Lysol bowl cleaner with a magic eraser. And I'm just doing the finishing touches on that, and the shower is done in the main bathroom. Now I am cleaning the sink before I start the kitchen or anything because we needed to use the sink for water and soap so that we could wash the walls and the baseboards. So I just wanted to clean it before we put anything in there. Here I am cleaning the inside of the kitchen cupboards and also the outside. Now for the microwave, I do this on a regular clean anyway, but of course you need it on a move out clean. So I spray it with my all-purpose spray, and then it depends on how bad it is. So here I think I put it for 20 seconds to let that warm up and cook it. And then you can easily wipe down everything in there. Here I was showing my husband wiping down the baseboards. He was also mopping the walls, which we needed to do in this place because the walls were very dirty, so it's just easier to mop them. For timing purposes, we didn't get to film everything, but we did get behind the oven and the fridge as the apartment owner requested for their move-out cleans. So I wiped down the sides of the oven, and we vacuumed behind the oven and vacuumed behind the fridge because it wasn't very dirty back there. That is how I do a move-out clean. Thanks for watching, and this end video here is the TikTok I made of how to get out hard water stains on a shower, and I'll put a link to that on the screen.